Hello, and welcome to another TA Tech Tip. In this Tech Tip, we will provide an overview of the Hi-Res technique in thermogravimetric analysis, which can be accessed on the Discovery Series TGA 550, TGA 5500, and STT 650. This Tech Tip will provide a brief overview of Hi-Res mode and how to set up a Hi-Res experiment in the TRIOS software. More information on the operation of Hi-Res mode can be found in the TRIOS help files. By clicking the Help button in the Experiment tab of your TRIOS software, you are brought to the TRIOS help files. From there, you can search for information on many topics related to your instrument, including Hi-Res. In addition, a PDF guide can be found by navigating in the left panel of the Help. Click Using the Discovery TGA, and then Getting Started Guides. There, you will find the TGA Hi-Res option Operator's Guide, which has detailed information about the parameters of Hi-Res TGA. Heating rate is a key parameter in thermal degradation. Thermal degradation is a kinetic event, which means there is a time dependency. The degradation depends not only on temperature, but also on time at that temperature. Thermal degradation will be observed at a lower temperature when heated at a slower ramp rate, and will be observed at a higher temperature when ramped faster. Here we see the same material ramped at 1 degree Celsius per minute and 50 degrees Celsius per minute. Ramping at a slower rate is a strategy to increase resolution by separating weight loss transitions and making them easier to analyze. But slower ramp rates result in longer overall experimental time. Hi-Res mode is a technique where heating rate is continuously and dynamically changed in response to the rate of sample weight change during a TGA experiment. There are two Hi-Res techniques which can be used in the TRIOS software: dynamic ramp and constant reaction rate. Setting up a Hi-Res technique is very straightforward in TRIOS. Both Hi-Res techniques are available as preset experimental templates in the software. A Hi-Res ramp can also be programmed from the custom method segments. For any Hi-Res method, you just need to input the maximum heating rate of the experiment, the final temperature of the ramp, and a resolution number and sensitivity value. The resolution and sensitivity in a Hi-Res experiment are unitless values which inform the responsiveness of your TGA during the experiment. Resolution values can be set between -8 and 8. Positive resolution values are used for dynamic ramp experiments, and negative resolution values are used for constant reaction rate experiments. The sensitivity value can be set between 1 and 8. Sensitivity controls the rate of a system's response when changing heating rates. Higher sensitivity values result in quicker changes in heating rates. In a Hi-Res dynamic ramp, the TGA ramps up quickly to the maximum selected heating rate until weight loss is detected. Once weight loss is detected, the ramp rate slows. The positive resolution value you selected dictates the response of the heating rate when weight loss occurs. A higher resolution value results in larger drops in the heating rate, which can result in a greater separation of weight loss events. Here is a series of dynamic ramp experiments of a polymer with 2 weight loss events run with increasing resolution numbers. The effect on the separation of those transitions can be clearly observed. Because the ramp rate only slows when weight loss is detected, a Hi-Res dynamic ramp experiment can be completed in shorter time than a standard TGA ramp. Preliminary investigation may be needed to find the optimal experimental parameters for your material. The higher the resolution number, the longer the experimental time, as the material goes through slower ramp rates during weight loss transitions. When just getting started with dynamic Hi-Res, we recommend a max heating rate of 50 degrees Celsius per minute, a resolution of 4, and a sensitivity of 1. That should give you a good starting point for separation of weight loss events, which can be further fine-tuned with experimentation. A constant reaction rate Hi-Res experiment controls heater temperature to target and maintain a predetermined weight loss rate. The weight loss rate is set by the negative resolution value you select. Reference this table, which can also be found in the help documentation, to find the negative resolution value which corresponds to the different target weight loss rates. Whenever the weight loss rate begins to exceed the set level, the heating rate of the furnace slows, even to the point of cooling, if necessary. When weight loss rate begins to be slower than the set value, the heating rate increases. Here we can see an example of the linearity of weight loss rate of a polymer sample being controlled with increasingly negative resolution settings. The more negative the resolution value, the slower the target weight loss rate. Constant reaction rate is preferred for any material where it is important to limit or control the rate of reaction. These may include energetics or other materials which undergo autocatalyzing reactions. Slower maximum ramp rates are preferable for constant reaction rate experiments to prevent reaction rate overshoot. 1 to 10 degrees Celsius per minute is a commonly used range, with 5 degrees Celsius per minute recommended as a good starting value in your experimentation. In this TA Tech Tip, we gave an overview of the Hi-Res technique for TGA. Please stay tuned for more helpful tips from TA Instruments, and thank you for your interest.